Hey, what's up, guys? Marquez here. Today, we're diving into your digital footprint, how every search, post, and account leaves a trace online. Anyone can use free public OSINT tools to uncover this trail, no hacking needed. We'll break down 10 powerful tools that reveal just how much of your online presence is visible, and I'll share practical tips to protect your privacy. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or just want to stay safe, this guide will help you audit and secure your digital presence. Let's kick things off with Maigret, a powerful open-source tool designed to help you uncover the digital footprints left behind by usernames across the internet. In today's world, our online identities are scattered across countless platforms, and keeping track of them all can be overwhelming. Maigret steps in as your digital detective, searching for a username across hundreds of websites, from popular social networks to obscure forums and niche gaming sites. All you have to do is plug in a username, and Maigret gets to work, scanning a vast array of online spaces. It quickly maps out where that name appears, revealing a web of accounts you might not even remember creating. This process is fast, efficient, and surprisingly thorough, giving you a comprehensive look at your or someone else's online presence. Most people tend to reuse the same usernames across different sites, often without thinking twice. This habit makes it easy for Maigret to connect the dots between your accounts, even those you may have forgotten about or abandoned years ago. It's a reminder that our digital past is rarely as hidden as we think. For creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses, Maigret is an invaluable resource. It helps you spot where your brand, alias, or company name might be exposed, whether intentionally or not. This can be crucial for managing your reputation, protecting your intellectual property, and ensuring your brand's consistency across the web. The best part? Anyone can use Maigret. No hacking skills or technical expertise required. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone, from privacy-conscious individuals to digital professionals looking to audit their online presence. Using Maigret is a wake-up call. It encourages you to audit your usernames, rethink your online habits, and consider mixing things up to protect your privacy. If you've been using the same handle everywhere, now might be the time to switch things up and make it harder for others to track your digital trail. Remember, even retired accounts and old handles can still be found with the right tools. Just because you've moved on doesn't mean your old profiles have disappeared. They might still be out there, waiting to be rediscovered. A simple search with Maigret can reveal more than you ever expected, shining a light on the hidden corners of your online identity. Take control of your digital footprint, because what you don't know can still be found. Next up, Eye of God, a Telegram bot that aggregates public data from just a phone number or email. Send a message to the bot, and it compiles social profiles, public records, and even leaked info in seconds. With just a phone number, you might uncover names, addresses, and photos. It's a reminder, your contact info can reveal a lot more than you expect. Use burner emails or secondary numbers for sites you don't trust. All this is legal, public data, no hacking, just OSINT. Protect your primary identity by limiting what you share. Namechk checks username availability across dozens of platforms in seconds. It's great for securing your brand, but also shows how exposed you are if you use the same handle everywhere. Old accounts and forgotten platforms can still be linked to you. Anyone can follow your trail if your username is unique. Mix up your usernames for privacy and use Namechk to audit your exposure. Don't let a single handle connect your entire online life. Privacy starts with the little details. HaveIBeenPwned checks if your email or phone number has appeared in known data breaches. Enter your info, and you'll see if your credentials are floating around online. If you're in a breach, change your passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Regular checks are crucial for creators and businesses. Your reputation is at stake. Security isn't a one-time thing. Stay vigilant. Use unique passwords for every account. Monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Don't wait for trouble. Be proactive. IntelX is a powerful OSINT search engine that scours leaked databases, public records, and even the dark web. It's designed for those who want to dig deeper into the digital world, uncovering information that's often hidden from the average internet user. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a journalist, or just someone curious about your own digital footprint, IntelX opens doors to data you might not even know exists. Its reach extends far beyond typical search engines, pulling from sources that are rarely indexed by Google or Bing. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone interested in understanding the true scope of information available online. With just an email, username, or phone number, IntelX can surface old forum posts, documents, and more. Imagine searching for your own details and finding posts you made years ago, or documents you thought were long forgotten. IntelX can even reveal data from breaches and leaks, showing you exactly what information about you is floating around on the internet. This can be eye-opening, especially if you've used the same username or email address across multiple sites. It's a reminder that our digital actions, no matter how small, can leave lasting traces. Data doesn't disappear when you delete an account. IntelX shows how persistent your digital trail is. Even after you think you've erased your presence, remnants can remain in backups, archives, or third-party databases. IntelX brings these hidden traces to light, helping you understand just how permanent some online actions can be. It's a wake-up call for anyone who assumes that deleting an account means erasing all evidence of their activity. It's a great tool for background checks or digital investigations. Investigators and employers use IntelX to verify identities, uncover hidden connections, and piece together digital histories. Journalists rely on it to track down sources or verify facts. Even law enforcement agencies turn to IntelX for leads in cybercrime cases. Its ability to connect seemingly unrelated data points makes it a favorite among professionals who need to see the bigger picture. For regular users, it's a way to see what's out there with your name on it. You might be surprised by the amount of information that's publicly accessible, everything from old social media profiles to forgotten blog posts. IntelX empowers you to take control of your online identity by showing you exactly what others can find with a simple search. Every form you fill out leaves a mark. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, creating an account, or entering your details for a contest, your information can end up in places you never intended. Over time, these small actions add up, creating a detailed map of your online activity. Use IntelX to see the big picture of your online presence. It visualizes how your data is connected across platforms, helping you spot patterns and potential vulnerabilities. By understanding your digital footprint, you can make smarter decisions about what you share and where you share it. The more you know, the better you can protect yourself. IntelX isn't just a tool for professionals. It's a resource for anyone who wants to take control of their digital life. By staying informed, you can safeguard your privacy, reduce your risk, and navigate the online world with confidence. PimEyes is a powerful facial recognition tool that lets you upload a photo and instantly search the internet to find where that face appears online. With just a single image, PimEyes scans millions of websites, social media platforms, and public databases, matching faces with impressive speed and accuracy. It's a tool that feels almost futuristic, but it's available to anyone with an internet connection. The results come back in seconds, often revealing dozens or even hundreds of places where your face, or someone else's, shows up. It's fast, accurate, and for many, a bit unsettling to realize just how much of our digital footprint is out there, waiting to be discovered. For creators, PimEyes can be a valuable tool to track where their images are being used, helping them protect their work and their identity. But it's not just for professionals. Anyone can use it to see how many versions of their face are scattered across the web, sometimes on sites they've never even visited. A single profile picture, once uploaded, can be copied, shared, and indexed everywhere, across forums, blogs, news articles, and social media profiles. Your digital likeness can travel far beyond your control. That's why it's important to regularly check where your images show up online. If you find your photos somewhere you don't want them, most sites have processes to request removal or to tighten your privacy settings. Before you upload a high-resolution selfie, Pause and consider who might be able to find it and how it could be used. Every image you share adds to your digital identity. The more unique images you post, the easier it becomes for facial recognition tools to map your digital presence, connecting the dots between your accounts and activities online. In a world where our faces are searchable, managing your personal brand and privacy requires constant awareness and proactive choices. Stay informed and take control of your online identity. Social Catfish verifies identities and unmasks imposters, but it's also a goldmine for OSINT. Input an image, email, phone number, or username, and it finds linked profiles and public info. It's great for spotting fake accounts, but also shows how easy it is to connect your digital dots. Businesses can vet hires, creators can spot impersonators, and everyone can see their exposure. Use unique photos and emails for different purposes. The less overlap, the harder it is to build a complete profile of you. Be mindful of what you share and where. ExifTool pulls hidden metadata from your images, camera details, timestamps, and even GPS coordinates. Share a photo online, and you might be revealing your exact location and more. Anyone can run your photo through ExifTool and learn details you didn't intend to share. Always strip metadata before posting images, especially from sensitive locations. Businesses and creators should make this a habit. Use plugins or apps to remove metadata automatically. Check your photos. You might be surprised at what's hidden inside. Creepy aggregates geolocation data from your social media posts and photos, mapping out your movements. A username or account is all it takes to create a timeline of your routines and favorite places. Aggregated location data can reveal your home, work, or daily habits. Disable geotagging and scrub metadata from your images. Review privacy settings on your apps before sharing. Location data is more public than you realize. Think before you share. Your movements can be mapped by anyone. SpiderFoot is the Swiss Army knife of OSINT, fully automated and thorough. Give it a target, email, username, domain, or IP, and it gathers info from across the web. It uncovers social profiles, breached credentials, technical data, and links between accounts. Perfect for digital audits, whether you're a business or individual. Automation makes it easy for anyone to use. Use SpiderFoot to see your digital footprint and spot vulnerabilities. Awareness is key. Lock down your privacy before someone else exploits it. Run a scan on yourself and take action. That's the rundown. 10 free OSINT tools that reveal your digital footprint. Audit your presence. Use burner emails, unique usernames, and disable geotagging. Simple steps go a long way in protecting your privacy. If you learned something new, like and share to help others stay safe online. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.